Are you struggling to to sell your product on Facebook, but because of the paid ads, you are unable to do so? You are unable to advertise to wider customers. I know these things must be frustrating at times because you have a product you want to sell, but you cannot connect the customers. Now, no worries again, because in this video, I'm going to teach you A to Z about how to advertise your product on Facebook without paid ad. I know it will surprise you, but stick with me to this video from A stick with me for this video from the first minute to the last minute. You're going to learn how to advertise your products, those products you have been trying to sell on Facebook without paid ad. Okay, now without wasting so much of your time, my name is Darlington. This channel, its name is Code. So what we do here is that we do video about digital marketing, app creation, website design. If you're interested in this type of content I'm talking about, you can go there and smash the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I release this type of video, you will be able to watch it. YouTube will notify you. Okay, now let's move into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to go to Facebook. You can see what you're seeing here is enable buy and sell. But before we go to Facebook, I'm going to show you evidence so that you know that this is not a random video that is moving on Facebook. That maybe I'm not just creating this video to get views or something else. I'm creating this video because of what I have experimented and see that it is working. That is what we are going to do. Now, first thing, what we are going to do is that you're going to go to our Facebook first. Now, look at this. I want to show you something. If you look at this now, you see that this is Blessing Portable Bags. See, Blessing Portable Bag. You can see this is a product I'm selling. I see this is a product I'm selling, and this person has already bought this product. You can see now the quality is okay. That's what she said. Okay, and that she let her buy this thing. Okay, now if you look at this place now, look at this place. You can see this is another product I'm advertising. Okay, look at this place again. You can see this is a laptop I'm advertising. Okay, now look at this place again. You can see this is a different people that are connecting me. These are not my friends. These are not my friends, but they are connecting me from another body. And the easiest thing about this is that it's very easy to use. It's not going to take like 10 seconds or this thing. See, this one is your honey. I'm advertising it. Okay, let's still go down. Okay, look at this one. You can see that I'm advertising this one. Look at this and this. Okay, let's go down again. Look at this one also. You can see all these things are different types of things and products I'm advertising. Okay, now how are you going to do this? We are going to do this step by step. First step you're going to do is that you're going to come here and type. Okay, now if assume that, because I'm doing this video from Nigeria, if assuming that you are maybe in USA, you can just say USA buying and selling here. USA buy and sell. You can see almost every city has their own marketplace. You can see you can join these groups, join all these groups. If assume that you are in India, I want to sell, you can just say Indian buy and sell. So if you look at this now, you can see you can just join this page, join this group and something else. You can join this one, shopping junction, all these things are located in India. But now it's not going to be because of your own site, the location you are. Now look at this place now. Okay, now I'm going to use Nigeria for example. Now let's assume that, okay, now in Nigeria I'm staying at Enugu, and if I want to now, I'm in this group now. Now let's look at this place now. This person now is selling this product. You can see she already have, okay, you already have 240 comments, people that wants to buy it. This one has 22 comments. This one has this one. Now, we are not, most of these groups some of them are paid, but what you are going to do, just follow me. First of all, join all these groups. That's the first step. The second step now is that if you come to Facebook, if you click on this place now, this icon here, look at this place, click on marketplace. You click on marketplace, you can see all these things now. People are selling this. This is where I advertise my products. People are selling these things. These are people's products. If I click on this thing now, they'll give me option send SLM message. I can send SLM message. Send. Is this still available? No. Okay, now what we're going to do is our first thing is that go to this marketplace, go to sell because we're not buying, we're selling. Go to sell. Now the type of products we want to sell. Now let's do example. I'm going to I want to sell I just want to sell women's clothing and shoe and condition used on new. Okay, let me just use new. Okay, new because this one is a tutorial. Size I want to sell. Maybe I just say medium. Okay. Size selling. Okay. Bags. Price you are selling it. Let me just say okay. 1,500. Why this naira is coming out here? Because I'm staying in Nigeria and the currency we are using is naira. So I can just put the description. Maybe I'll just say very beautiful or bags of all season. Let me just say bags of all season. That's also be coming up on this tag. You put tag so that when people search, they can be able to find it. You can just say ladies bag, ladies bag. You can just say okay, bags, handbags. Depending on what you want to do, so handbags. Okay, is it off shipping or is it this? You can just add this in. You can just, if you want to hide it from your friends, you can hide it from your friends. If you want your this thing to this thing. So now if you want to now turn on commenting listing, now you can still do it. Now what you're going to do now is that you understand what we did in first step is going to come here. Now when we click on, before we click on publish, you have to add photos of this thing, the photos we advertise. Now we're going to now add photos. I'll come here and look for a photo of bag I want to sell. Now let's go to this news. Let me look for the bags. Okay, now look at these bags I want to sell. Done. Now, so next thing you're going to do is that you can add more photos if you don't. Now I want to, because this is a tutorial video, so I'll just add only one video, only one photo. I don't want to waste your time, so just click on publish. Now this is now live. When you publish this thing, this is now live. But before you publish it, you bring option of many groups. Now look at these groups. Now these groups are the one located at my side. I can just put on, I can just mark any place I want this thing to appear. Mark all these things and now click share. It has successfully posted in 8 groups. Now you can see that when you post on this, now you see that most of all those groups now, like first group I showed you, they have thousands of this thing. They have 3,000 members. They have this thing. The other one has 2,000 members. When you post on all these groups and when you have do it here, you can see that this person now, people come here every time to buy. People come here every time. You're not paying Facebook for this one. You're not paying. Okay, now if you learn something in this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Give me comment. Still come to the comment section if you like this video and say please produce more of this video. If you like this video, just make sure you give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel so that you can join our community. So that when anytime we release this type of awesome video, you can join. You can still partake on it. Okay, thank you guys and thanks for watching. I'll see you.